Alright, good morning, you guys. It is currently 7:12 a.m. on Monday, April 13th. I am going to show you guys what my daughter is having for lunch. I'm making a pot of coffee next to me, and just did the stupidest thing. The little cup that my filter is supposed to go into, I did not put it in my coffee pot. It was sitting over on the counter, and I just put the coffee, the filter, and the freaking coffee grounds into it without the little cup that my pot needs to press up on to get the coffee out. Didn't put two and two together and didn't realize that, I messed up. It's great. I love that. I don't have a lunch bag picked out for her just yet. And so you're just gonna get her lunch. Whatever. First of all, we have a Capri Sun Pacific cooler. My daughter and cousin took those to the park the other day. Because we had a picnic at the park for dinner, and then they played at the park. It was great. She's getting a apple go-go squeeze. Yeah. It was easy because they have both of these at the park. And then in here, we have cucumbers. Okay. Anyways, we have cucumbers, we have peaches, and 2 corn dogs. The stick is still, where is it? The stick is still in them, so hopefully she doesn't bite into them. And then we have ketchup. You know what, I wonder if I should just send her this one. I think I will. I'm gonna send her this water bottle. Oh, that might help.